another episode of Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah. This is Clint Hansen.
Hello.
We're here to answer your questions and celebrate our freedom! Because it's the 4th of July, in case you didn't know. It's the 4th of July! I'm so excited. Are you excited?
I am. It is a very good day.
Do you like my decorations?
I do. It's very impressive. I was pleasantly surprised.
Do we have enough flags?
I think we need one more flag.
One more flag? Okay.
One more flag.
Okay. What are you thinking? I bet you guys didn't see that one coming.
Nice little rifle here for this month's giveaway. I think it's kind of like a little trend we're creating here at the beginning of every month.
I
think
like
we
it.
should do that. We should showcase our giveaway we're going to do that month.
It's a great idea. It's probably one of my ideas.
Yeah. You know what? There's too many specs on here for me to remember, so I'm going to make sure I read them. My Freedom phone. Stand by. All right, specs on this month's Freedom giveaway. All right, so you got an 18-inch 223 fluted barrel, BA enhanced receiver set, 15-inch Atlas rail, nickel bore and BCG, Aero Precision ultralight 30mm scope mount, Ride-on Optics scope, BG6 Precision 556 Gamma velocity trigger, B5 system Bravo stock, Magpul grip, dangerous but good swag pack. And the Cerakote job was done by Kerry Lewis at High Caliber Manufacturing. So, a whole lot of freedom going on there for one of you to win.
That's really exciting.
I
It's
like
a
it.
really cool rifle.
I'm not gonna lie, whenever we do something as big as this, there might be a small childlike portion of me that's a little jealous that we should just give this away. And then I quickly remember, ooh, yeah, we should.
That you wish that you could enter the giveaway yourself.
Maybe a little, all right? So yeah, we don't really enter our own giveaways because
No, you can't.
we're all BA.
We're not allowed.
But rifles like this make you want to enter, right?
Yeah, I want to enter.
Maybe one of you want to do it on our behalf. We just won't tell anyone,
That would be so nice.
right? I think they would do it.
Are you ready for questions?
Yes.
Sweet. So am I. And I've got these questions. These 4th of July questions. Oh, you
Okay.
highlighted them in red and blue.
I did.
Ow, that's so cute. Okay, our first question is from our friend Daniel Castle.
Okay, Mr.
Daniel.
Castle?
I like this name. Daniel says, will you be coming out with a 14.5 9mm barrel? I'm looking to start a PCC build. Ideally, I would go with one of your 11... Okay, wait a second. What is a PCC build?
PCC?
Yeah, what is that?
Pistol Caliber Carbine.
Okay, cool, thanks. Ideally, I would go with one of your 11-inch barrels for an AR pistol, but it's not an option for me since I live in California. Congrats on 50. Thank you.
There are talks, and I'm not saying we're just talking, it's an idea. You're not the first person to ask for that, so I do think we're going to do one. I don't have a date, but I absolutely think there's a reason for it. For those of you who don't know, 14.5 inches, if you have a muzzle vise, it's going to bring you out to 16 inches overall. It will still work on the 9mm, because remember some episodes back when we talked about measurements of 9mm, it's from the start of your chamber to the end of your muzzle. Now on a 9mm barrel, that encompasses most of the barrel, okay, if not all of it. So your overall length on a 14.5 inch barrel is going to be about 14.5 inches, rather than with a, say, a 14.5 inch 5.56 barrel, the overall length is going to be somewhere around 15 inches if you include the extension. So keep that in mind when you're choosing your rail and everything else. Sorry, rabbit trailed, but it was a chance to tell you that little tip. But yeah, 14.5, you want to go as short as you can. I know you're in California, so it's beautiful there, but I am sorry in terms of gun laws. So yeah, look forward to maybe early next year, maybe end of this year we can get those going.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Mr. Hansen. Second question from our friend Evan Wallach. I am thinking about a 308 build with the 18-inch 308 heavy profile rifle length fluted AR 308 barrel premium series. I will be shooting suppressed and unsuppressed. I will shoot offhand and from a tripod. What is your thought on the barrel length and weight? Looking for one rig to do it all. I love Q&A. Oh, thank you.
I think you hit the nail on the head in terms of barrel length, which one to select, and I'll tell you why. It's because of what you're doing and what you're going to be putting it through. Before you said you were going to shoot suppressed and unsuppressed, so before the suppressor was in there, I was like, maybe you want to entertain possibly an 18-inch mid-length Modern Series BA barrel, or even 16 if you want, but I think you're stuck on the 18. I think that's a good idea. I think the fluted is a good idea because it's a very rigid barrel, okay? But you get the weight savings from the flutes themselves. So, I mean, I'm salivating just hearing about the setup, and I think it's fantastic for you, and I think you did a really, really good job drawing that blueprint.
Awesome.
Well done.
I've never heard you say that you were salivating over someone else's setup before. It was kind of exciting.
I don't know. I think just what he was talking, how it flowed. Sounds like a good rig.
Yeah, It does. It did to me too. Okay.
All right.
Did you have fun answering those questions?
I did.
I did too.
I'd be lying though if I wasn't kind of in a hurry to go eat barbecue and party 4th of July.
Okay, I guess we'll wrap it up. Guys, we hope you have a fantastic 4th of July. Please subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. We have new Q&A videos every Thursday. What? Yeah, it's true. And if you want to see Clint Hansen or Jason Demo answer one of your questions, make sure to comment below. We sure can't wait to see what you guys send us. Our first question is from our friend Daniel Castle.
Okay.
I like this name.
Okay.
I know I say that a lot, but I genuinely like this name. I genuinely like all the other names too. That's not to imply that I don't genuinely... Will you be coming out with a 4th?
You might think I'm making fun of them in that country. We got here a little freedom bang stick.
Because it is the 4th of July! That was weird.
I liked it.
I'm super excited.
Hold on, there's a bunch of specs on it.
Tell me about it, Clint.